Hello crypto fam, welcome to my channel. This video is for just educational purpose only. We are not your financial advisor. You can do your proper research. And welcome to with a new project that we are going to deep dive KuCoin. And here we can easily check out. This is the exchange where you can easily get a Web3 exchange. There is also getting the crypto with your fiat or crypto into swapping option. Both are available. Even there next is also about the market, and you can start your spot trading in multiple pairs that are also available, and there is also margin trading and many other options. Even you are also beginner, then you can easily get their copy trading option with top elite traders who are already experienced. And there is also derivative, there is also launch hub where you can also check further opportunities that is being shared by this platform, and you can also get more opportunities too, and some other option that can also help you to understand this ecosystem, because this is the KuCoin where 40 million users already trusted and they are using it as for their daily opportunities. So you want to sign up, you can easily use your Google ID, Apple ID, or your email, and then you can also come here with some your need that is going to be fulfilled. After coming on it, you will find transparency on their priority, and you can also get, this is for some serious traders. Yes, if you are a serious trader, you want to get your future bright, then you can come on the KuCoin with also some deep liquidity too. All in one trading, 1000 plus coin available in this ecosystem, and there finding the next crypto gem. You can easily go for market option and analyze it, and then you can find your next gem. Even there is also in 2022 there is also KuCoin that completed million pre-series B round, that combining with its series A funding. So this is also going to be some successful stories and security, and you can also get the series too. Like here is also PCI DSS certification have been achieved. There is SOC2 double type. This is also the report by Nasdaq leading fintech platform have been provided. There is ISO, and there is also many more. That is about the privacy information related certification has been given to this platform. For that, you can also find many other too. Like here are also security best practices that have been completed now. And if you want to join their community, link in my video description I have given, so you can also join them, and their team is also going to help you. But now you can also download from your trading in your app smooth working. You can start your journey, and you can also follow them on the social media links too. Now if you are going to join, you can also create your account. For that, you can easily sign up your account, and here is your your email or phone number, put your referral link, and after that you can accept the terms and condition. So in this way you can also create your account successfully here. This is the interface where after login you can also proceed. Next, you can also open your account. There is also your unique ID number and many other details. If you want to go ahead and you want to verify and you want to secure your account, then here is ID verification that you can easily do on it. Even there is also some account security. You can also go for here some KCS loyalty level 2. So this is also that step to secure your account, and after that you can come here with this option that is also given. Like here is all the pair that you can easily choose in which you want to start your spot trading. There you can also analyze, and here is also the chart details of with your peers and how much is prices everything. And there you can also get like margin, alpha, and future. There are different categories, and next you can also analyze the crypto market have been mentioned. There is the chart analysis, how chart is going on. There is also by time, there you can easily check. You want, if you go next to open that from here is the place where you can check the how many x you have liquidity. There is also limit market, and you can also go far ahead to start your trading. Yes, this is available now. You can start by selling, swapping, everything you can do on this platform. And here further you want to get some more details, then here are some event in the reward hub. When we press that button, and you can also grab here some task that you are going to complete, and then you will also get your reward for that after completing the terms and conditions that have been given here. And if you want to invite your friends, then there is also a referral link. When we press that, here is referral link and affiliate, you can easily apply for it. So now you can also get your referral link, invite your friends, and you can also become their team member. So thanks for watching. If you still have any question, you can ask in our comment box, and see you soon in next video.